Hey, it's Bree. I'm back with another short video. Felicia asked about where I got the super lube from and where does it go. It's gonna go in the gear compartment underneath the machine, and you can purchase the lube at, that sounds weird, but you can purchase it at your local Joann's fabric store. That's where I got mine from. You should be able to find it at any of your local Walmart. I'm pretty sure Target has it, but anywhere they sell sewing machine supplies at. I don't apply this grease all the time. I only apply it as needed, and so far it looks good for now, so I didn't need to apply anything for now. I will continue to check mine monthly. The lubrication is needed to prevent wear and friction, remove any dirt that would interfere with the turning of the gears and the overall function. I hope this helped. As always, please let me know if you have any other questions. Remember to always speak life, love, and positivity. And thank you for watching. See you next time.